Okay, here are the Yorkie Poos. Today is Sunday, uh, August 12th or 13th. I'm not quite sure. um, let's see here. Oh, you licking my finger, aren't you? Aren't you? Who are you? Let's see. This one is Vipera. That's Vipera. Look at my finger. She's so sweet. You're so sweet. We have Cobra here. Come here, Cobra. Come here, Cobra. That's Cobra. Okay. And here's Python. This is Python. Here's Python. And Mamba. Hey, Mamba. Hello, Mamba. You eating my finger too? Hey, Cobra. Oh, you're tired. You're tired. Vipera. Viper. Python. And Mamba. Yeah. There they are. Let's see here. Tails are doing great. They've fallen off. Yeah. Of course, Cobra has his tail. See here. We'll probably deworm them sometime this week. What are you doing, you cutie pie? Other than that, they're starting to walk, starting to play a little bit. Mama's doing really, really well with them. So, alright, until next time.